All right, welcome to my channel, guys. And today in this video, we are going to take a look at the two of the best application. If you already updated your device to 16.1, and you guys know that in this update, we got the live activity option, and this 16.1 final release is now available to public, and anybody can install on the any of the device that you have. Now, I'm going to show you guys, if you already installed the 16.1 final release, now you're in luck and you will love these two applications that I'm going to show you guys in this video. Now, before we start this video and before we dive into this, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now, that's been said, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So the first application I'm going to show you guys is this one right here, FOTMAB Mob. I don't know if I'm, not pronouncing it right. I apologize for that. It's FOTMOB, FOTMAB, and this is basically a sport application. You can follow the scores on this application. And now, since the Apple have released the final iOS 16.1, and you have the option to follow the match on your lock screen through the live activity. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to enable this. As we can see right here, I have the application open, but if I close the application, if I go to my lock screen, as we can see, this is the notification I just got that this match have started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the application, and as you guys can see, we are in today's tab, and I'm going to open up this team right here, and all I'm going to do, as we can see, the star on the top right corner is highlighted. I'm gonna uncheck mark that, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check mark again, and as we can see right here, the live match added to your live activity to your home screen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna exit, and as we can see right there, this is where we got the match and the dynamic island. And if I lock my phone, and as we can see right here, we have the live activity right on our lock screen, and it's really awesome. If I tap, right now my phone is locked. If I tap on it, as we can see right there, the time is going. If you lock your screen, the time will stop right here, as you guys can see. And if you tap on your phone, it goes live, just like that. You can have, so we have this, let me unlock this, and if we go back into the application, go back, and now this is the second one, second team right here. If we click on right here, and all you have to do, if the star is checked, uncheck that and check it again, and as we can see right here, your lock screen. So if we go into exit this screen, and if we bring down the notification center, and as we can see right here, I'm going to close the notification, but I'm going to keep this. So right now we got following two teams right here. So we got this one and that one, and if I close, lock the screen, and we still have two of the teams playing right here, as we can see. And same thing on the top, if I open up the phone, and as we can see right here, so we got right in the dynamic island, and this is one of the best application if you want to keep track of the scores, and you don't have a time to watch, or whatever the reason, you can install this application and track the scores on your lock screen if you're at work, or if you're in a meeting or whatever, and all you have to do, just tap your screen and track the scores. Now, the next application we are going to talk about is the lock launcher right here next to the FOTMob lock launcher. So this application is basically give you your all the favorite apps in your dynamic island. So I got you can have up to 6 applications in the dynamic island, and as of right now you guys can see I got the Instagram, photo, TikTok, Wi-Fi setting of the phone, camera, and home. So right now, if we can see, we got the soccer playing the in the dynamic island. But if I go open this up, and as you guys can see, there's a tree on the top right corner, right under the battery. If I click that, and it close out the application. But as we can see right there, if we 3D touch on the dynamic island, it will bring up the match. But if I go back in here and I hit done right there and exit out of the application, so I'm going to hit this, and what I'm going to do, so these are the options right here, and you can do live activity and max icon number. You can do up to 8, but it will show up on the dynamic island only 4, and you can do round corner, and then you can do the island left display clock count, or you can do the dynamic island right display clock count. So we're gonna do, you can click on this, and you have the option, you can do none, you can do app icon, or you can do the clock seconds. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do a clock second, as you guys can see, and then all we have to do is hit done right there and exit. And right now, if we go right here, as you guys can see, I name it Apple Word, and there's a seconds playing right here. If we open up, and as you guys can see, this is the second camera cutout on the side, and right here in the dynamic island, you got the team, and then right here, if we 3D touch, you got the access to the apps, your favorite app on your dynamic island. And let's say, for example, you want to do a timer, and we can start the timer. If we exit out of the application, it will send to the dynamic island, and the team gonna move up here, the match. And if we 3D touch, and you got the live match scores, and then if we 3D touch here, you got the clock. And if we cancel this, and as you guys can see, the match went into the actual dynamic island, and then on the top, on the left side, you got your favorite app back. So this is how you do this. I mean, there's a lot for this application, and as we can see on the bottom, you got the favorite, basically your favorite apps, lock screen, discover, news, and settings, and you can go through each tab and figure it out. And as you guys can see, you can make a widget. So right now I got widget 1, T-Rex, and then I got the widget 2, Flippy Bird, and then let me show you guys how to enable the widget for this. So all you want to do is 3D touch on anywhere on the screen, and go to tap on the plus sign, and then you want to scroll all the way down to you see the lock launcher right here, and then you can have the favorite app as a widget right here. And then if you scroll down, you got the small, medium, and then this is the apps widget. You can have single. So as you guys can see, these are the 2 I have created, and I'm gonna click on this right here, and then I'm gonna add to widget, and it will add that to your home screen. And exit out of the wiggle mode, click on it, and it will take you to the website, and then you can play, as you guys can see right here, play the game on your home screen. So just like that, this is really, really awesome, really cool application, and it's called Lock Launcher, and it is I'm using the free version of this. You can actually upgrade to pro version right here. As you guys can see, learn about pro version. And if you upgrade to this, you get a lot more stuff, a lot more options to play with, and have it customize your device. So I think this was the really important since the 16.1 is out, and I thought it was really cool and really important for me to make a video and bring it out to you guys, so you guys don't waste time searching for what application will work with the 3D. Not sorry, 3D. The live activity, and how you can customize your device. Now that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comments below. But as for right now, that's all. Just want to say thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any videos in the future. Now that's been said, thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.